Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to create AWS API Gateway from AWS Console and deploy it. AWS API Gateway offers us an easy way to create a REST API with serverless capabilities. We don't have to pay for all the time, and we will just pay for when we call that API Gateway. So we will see how AWS makes it very easy to deploy our own API and work with it. So let's get started. I have already logged into my AWS account and I'm on the screen on API Gateway service. So if you haven't created any API Gateway, you will see something like this. And if you have already some APIs created, those APIs will be listed here. So in this tutorial, in this series of tutorials, we will work with the REST API. So let's start building us a REST API using API Gateway. So let's create on this build button. Now here we will have different options to create this REST API. Let me create OK. We will see that this is the REST API and we don't want an example API. We'll build it from the scratch. So let's create a new API and let's name this API maybe YouTube video, and let's keep it a regional API for now and create it. So that's how easy it is to create a REST API in AWS. So here we can see that it has already given us a base path or a root path, what we can say, and here and we don't have any method which can execute this API. So we need to add an HTTP method which can execute, which can invoke this root path. And for that we can go to this action button at the top and then click on this create method. Let's start with the post method here and OK. Now once we do that, then it will ask us what should this post method do once it is invoked. So do we want to invoke a Lambda function or a another HTTP endpoint or different AWS service? For time being, in this first stage, we will just mop it. So that means it will just send a sample reply back. So we can save this. And now we have done that. We will see this window and we will learn more about all these stages. The method request, integration request, integration response, and method response in the next video. So stay tuned for that. And once we do that, the last step what we need to do is to deploy this API. For this we will have to create a stage, and the stages are like you can consider them as different environments. So you will have a stage for development, another stage for production. So let's say this is for development, and our description we can put something like this is for testing, and let's deploy this API. And once you deploy it, you will get an endpoint which you can invoke to see if your API is working or not. Even AWS also offers a test functionality here, which we can use to test our APIs. There are a lot of different things that we need to consider when using this REST API from AWS API Gateway, like how to set up a CORS, authentication, and how to integrate this function with Lambda. All of these things will be covered in coming tutorials. So I hope you found this short tutorial helpful. See you in the next video.